I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real.
Hey guys, it's your girl, the Makeup Plug, aka Miss Wilson, baby. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. And today we are going to be reviewing Sister James's palette. Okay, I don't know if I said that right, but we're gonna be trying. And I have this palette already on my eye, so stay tuned and see what I think. So yes, we're going to Sister Slay today. Sister wasn't playing today, okay? Yes. So stay tuned to know what my opinion is on this palette. Hey y'all, so today we're starting on a fresh clean face. I only did my eyebrows. And look at this palette. This palette is huge. And I'm only using my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and I'm mixing a little bit of my Nars with that. And then the first color we're going to start with today is the B color, and I'm going on my outer corner with that, and I'm mixing it all in. And with this, the yellow color, it kind of needs a couple swipes to build up, but that's how usually yellows are, especially like the MAC yellows. Those are how they are. You have to build them up. And then I'm going to go in with Code James on my outer corner, a little under the yellow, and I'm going to mix that in just to get this nice tangerine shade. And now I'm going to take Pinkity Drinkity and I'm going to put that in my crease, and I'm going to build that up a lot so it's going to be very, very vibrant. And remember, these are pressed pigment shadows. These pigments are very vibrant. They blend very well. And mind you, I did mix a little bit of my concealer with my base anyway, and it's not dragging, it's not patchy. I want you guys to take a second to see how vibrant these colors are. James Charles did a really, really good job on this palette. And now that we're done with Pinkity Drinkity, I'm going back with Code James, and I'm merging both of those colors together to make sure everything is seamless and it doesn't look blotchy or just stand out too much. Okay, so this color I'm using, I actually didn't mean to use it. I didn't realize how close it was to Pinkity Drinkity. And you see, it made it more vibrant, but I thought it was going to be deeper. And so I had to do it the same thing on both sides so it can look even, but I didn't like this color. I didn't realize how close it was to the colors that I had on my eye. So that's why I'm going in with a deeper purple next. And I'm just going to place this purple on the outer V of my eye, leaving a little space of color because I don't want it to be completely covered with purple, but everything will merge in. And I am doing one eye on camera and one eye off camera just to make it very easy, because I want you guys to focus on me doing my eyes only, and I want you guys to see how easy it is doing it with this palette. And now we're taking my Nars Matte Concealer and the shade Vanilla, and I'm just going to cut my crease halfway with this. And I'm using my MAC flat brush. I do not know the name, but it will be in the description box with all the rest of the brushes I used today for my eyes. And when you're cutting your crease, please take your time. It's a little bit easier for me just because I've already gotten the hang of my eye shape and me cutting the crease for my own eye shape. So it's going to take me a little less time and you more time maybe. But just please take your time when cutting your crease. There's no rush. Now I'm going to blend the end of that concealer into my shadow so it can look very seamless. It's going to have like a nice ombre effect after we're done. now we're taking that yellow shade. Oh, I said yellow. I meant white. We're taking the white shade in the palette, and I'm going to put that on the rest of my lid halfway. And the only thing I'm doing in here is just touching up that pink and that purple to give me more definition and to make it more vibrant and even. I want everything to be very flawless, very seamless, especially with a bright eye color look. And so far, this is what you should have if you are following this look. And you see how bright this palette is? Like, look at my eyes, y'all. I was so nervous to use this black, so you'll see me tap it first, just because this black is so pigmented, and I'm only putting it on my outer crease just to give me a little bit more definition. I felt like if I added this black, it would have gave the look that oomph that it needed. Y'all see it. You see this eye look? That black took it from 0 to 100. It gave it the definition that I wanted without it overpowering the other colors. I love this look so far. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be back with my final look. See y'all in a second. This is my final look, y'all. Look at my eyes. They are amazing. This palette is worth every single penny. I'm happy that my final look came out so good. Okay guys, I'm back. I finally finished my makeup. I just popped some lashes on, did liner, and my full face obviously. Did nothing because I didn't want to take the attention away from my eyes, so I did a nice nude glossy lip, brown liner, nude gloss, and a little bit of highlight. I used my Nars Orgasm highlight and just my regular contour. Y'all know what that is. It'll be listed down below in the description box if you guys do not know. But yes, I'm loving this palette. It gets 2 thumbs up from me. I love it hands down. I'm just amazed by how bright and pigmented this is. These are pressed pigments, and I do love them. I did not touch out of this palette at all. I love this palette. I will buy it again regardless. I love it, sisters. I love it. So yes, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Give me 2 thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.